Hi everyone, let's go to POE.com. As you can see, we could use different LLMs here. Choose any method to log in now. First, use ChatGPT by free. Find the latest ChatGPT version. Type the prompt like top 10 AI tools in 2025, and then you can see detailed answers there. Second, use Google Gemini by free. Find the latest Google Gemini version. Type the prompt like, "What's the weather today in USA?" And then you can see detailed answers there. Third, use Claude to develop a simple game by free. Find the latest Claude version. Type the prompt like, "Please develop a simple game for children with HTML preview." And then you can see the game has been developed and able to play immediately.